fundamental human longing for health, for well-being, for fulfillment of life. When you find a logically correct and scientifically ascertainable way, then we say this is yoga. Yoga means in pursuit of human well-being, we've been doing all kinds of things. We've been looking up for a long time, which has led to humanity being divided in the name of religions, castes, creeds, in so many different ways. Now in the last 50 years, I would say we are looking out seriously. This happened to me when I was in the university, and recently, about 8 years ago, when I happened to be in my hometown, and after a very long time, one of my English teachers came up to me and said, "Now I understand why you would not let me teach Robert Frost." I said, "Ma'am, why would I not let you teach Robert Frost? I like Robert Frost." She said, "Don't you remember you didn't let me teach Frost?" Then I remembered. She came one day, till then we were reading only English poets. She came and introduced the American poet, and she said, "Robert Frost is a great man," and then she started off, "Woods are lovely, dark and deep." I said, "Stop." I said, "I'm not."
माझं गुंडू ग, माझं गुंडू ग. काय करतो रे तू गुंड्या? एक गुंड्या काय करतो रे तू? काय करतो रे तू गुंड्या? एक गुंड्या काय करतो तू? गुंडू ए 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 गुंडू काय करतो तू गुंडू? गुंडू ए गुंडू 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 माझे गुंडू माझे गुंडू माझे गुंडू गुंडू माझे गुंडू 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 गुंडू